We'll see the difference between block level storage and normal storage. Okay, let us see an example. Now, what is this actually? Block level, this is object level. Okay, now what is happening here? This you compare it. Let us say you go to market. You go for a market. I already told you the S3 is what? It's a bucket we used to call. Correct now? Let us compare this S3 with the market value. With the market value. Now, in your market value, what are the things you will buy? Hmm? You compare this with your market bag. Now, market bag, what are the things you will have? Let us say tomato. Okay. Next one, potato. Then what? Carrot. You guys go to market first of all. Yes. Say something there. Brinjal. Okay. Huh? Cabbage. Okay. Onion. Okay. Snacks are. Hey. Chicken. Hmm. Vegetables, I told you. Hmm. Tomato already done. Beetroot. Ah. Then ginger. Hmm. Chili. Lemon. Okay. Now bag is full. Okay. Now I want to take tomato out of this place. What? Tomato out of this bag. What you will do? Oh, you will take everything outside and then you will take tomato. Ah. You will put your hand. Yes. You will put your hand inside and search for tomato and you will take it. Correct, na? Now, when this tomato is taken out, what will happen? Ah, the items which is on the above to the tomato will fall down to this, come to this place. Correct, na? Yes. Now, let us keep, instead of having this tomato, all these vegetables in the bag, what if I keep this tomato, onion, brinjal, chili or whatever it is, I arranged in a rack. Now I want to take tomato. Which one is easy? This one or this one? Hmm? Putting separately in a rack. Now why this is easy? Why this is easy? This is organized, correct? This is organized. This is unorganized. Now if I want to take, let us take these two tables. These two tables. Now which one? Now you select now which one is easy? Organized. This one is easy if I want to take something. Or I want to replace also. Which one is easy? This organized one. Now you consider this one as your mobile folders. You have folders. Now I think in your default in your systems where the download files will go. Download files where it will go to the downloads folder. Huh? Now you think this is your downloads folder. Whatever data you're downloading, it will go and add up, 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 up. Correct now? But here you are giving an option when you are downloading that always ask me where you want to store. Now where you will store the audio files? In the audio folder. Next where you file store in the videos, video folder, documents, images. Correct now? Now which one will be easy if I want to take a photo? whether in the downloads folder or this one, organized one. Now which one is easy now? Organized one. Now this is called block store where it is kept everything in organized way. Now this is your normal S3 bucket. That is your object storage. This is your block level storage. Now which one should be costly? Object level or block level? Which one should be costly? Block level should be costly. Now here you can able to see all together we are keeping it here. It is now video, audio, images. Okay. I want to replace a file from the video file. Which one is easy? This one. If I want to replace it here, we don't know video is here. If the video I want to replace, see here, you are able to see the number. What is the number happened previously? Previously, the video file was in. Video file is here. I want to take this video file. Now what should happen here? You see the remaining numbers are getting arranged, rearranged. Correct now. But again, it will come on top, top, top. Now the question is why we want to take EC2 server, the storage should be always EBS, always EBS, because here your C drive files will be properly arranged. But here if you put, if the C drive files first it will be there, then above and above whatever files you are saving will come on top. But system wants to start means first the C drive should be proper, correct? If C drive don't have a space, will your system get started? No, it will have some issues. Now, when you take block level storage, it is properly organized. So, the storage will be there here, these both rows, and the operation files will be there in the these two folders. So, when your system gets starts, where the EC2 gets starts, it will not have any issues. But if you take this object level storage as your EC2 storage type, what will happen? Your storage data will be at the down. It will take more time to start. Are you getting? Now, if I want to change one piece of code, I can able to change that particular character here. But here I want to take means I have to update the entire file. This is what we done yesterday in the storage lab. I have updated the name na, created by Jane. That file we re-uploaded the entire file, correct? We re-uploaded the entire file in the storage. But in case if it is EBS means I don't want to share the entire file. I just have to replace that particular file alone. Are you getting? So this is the difference here. Why we take EBS? Coming back here, why we take EBS type as for your root volume? For your root volume, we are taking EBS as your storage type. Now in this storage type also they have some volume types that we'll see in the main storage. There are two types. One is SSD, another one is HDD. You guys already know what is meant by SSD. Solid state drive. All your laptops are having, all your mobiles are having SSD only. You're putting a card inside that extra card. What type of card is that? SD card. Why? Because your storage type is already solid state drive. So I have to add one more solid drive only. Hard disk drive is, as you guys already know, hard disk drive is normal hard disk drive is there, na? That type of drive. Now, the thing is in EBS, if the volume will be deleted when the instance is terminated, the main thing is what? If the volume, which volume? Now, whenever you take EC2 instance, you have to take a storage. You have to take a storage. If the storage EBS is deleted, terminated, the data will get deleted. The data will get deleted. Now, by default, EBS is having what? Encryption. By default, EBS is having encryption. That is also one of the advantage. Now, what is the thing here we have? There are two types of instances. There are two type of instance storage which we can able to add it to our EC2 instance. One is Just now I told you the EBS one. EBS is durable block level storage. Just now I told you durable means what? Long lasting. Long lasting. We can able to stop the instance and start it again. The data will be there. What will happen? If we take EC2 instance, EBS as your storage, when you stop and start, the data will be there. If you take EC2 instance, so this is nothing but a temporary storage. This is nothing but a temporary storage where if you use this and if you stop the instance, the data stored here will get deleted. The data stored will get deleted if you stop the instance. This is nothing but an empirical storage. Empirical storage means what? Empirical means what? Temporary storage. What? Temporary storage. For example, if you buy a watch or some electric games, you see this children and all will go and buy some dolls, correct? It will do some action or event. Now in that they will put some battery. If you buy that battery and come along with that doll or the toys, if you buy that battery, it will come for 1 week or 2 weeks. That's it. After that, what you have to do? We have to put the new battery. Correct now. So same thing here. This instance storage is when you start the instance, they will give by default. They will give by default. It's our responsibility to attach an EBS. Our responsibility to attach an EBS for a permanent data storage. So that's what here you can see. It'll be that's what here we are saying. First, you always select EBS as your main storage for your EC2. By default, it will come with EC2 instance store. So other options for storage are not for the root volume. Not for the root volume. Why? What is this root volume? I already told you. Root volume is nothing but like your C drive. Correct now? If C drive is not there, what is the use of D drive? Correct now? That's what. So these two are you considered as D drive and this EBS you consider as C drive. So here you see we have to mount an elastic file system. We have to connect to the simple storage service. So the main thing which you need to write is this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one. Write all these 4 points, which is very, very, very important.